Hello, in this video I want to show you how to access and remove and replace main rotating brushes on Roborock S8. To do this, first we'll need to turn our robot upside down like it is right now, then pull on those two buttons right here and pull it up. This should remove this cover, and then we can access our brushes by simply pulling them upwards. First the black one, and there's also the red one. Now to put it back in, we'll need to align the pentagon right here to the left, and then the gear to the left. Make sure that they are properly rotating, and then we can take the cover, and I think we also need to push on those two buttons, then align it properly and place it in until you hear the click. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.